Uh, what does bike riding and business have in common? I was on my morning walk this morning after I did my row, and where we live here in Yeronga on the Brisbane River on the Corso, there's a very regular cyclist track. Well, it's more of a loop. It's called the River Loop, Brisbane River Loop, and usually starts either at Milton or at Yeronga somewhere, and then it goes up Yeronga through Tennyson, over Indooroopilly, St Lucia, through West End back to Yeronga, and you can do a reverse loop, which is the other way. And I was looking at all the race bikes, thinking, once upon a time, I was a mammal, middle-aged man in Lycra, and bought, at the time, the best bike I could buy, accessories, gears, bits and pieces, to make my bike go faster. Fast as it possibly can. And if it looked good at the same time, it was fantastic as well. And I was thinking about that, and I was watching the bike cyclists go through, and then I looked at the guy at the back. Once upon a time, this mid, I was the guy at the back. Because my mates that were cyclists were all, been doing it for years and years and years. And they were pumping and they'd fly. They'd always drop me. And I looked at the guy at the back and said, you know what? That was me. It doesn't matter how good the bike is. It comes down to how much you pedal, how much you pump those legs, how much practice you put into it, how much routine you build in building your leg fitness and your cardio fitness. And it's exactly the same with business. Because I talk to so many painting businesses out there, and I've been guilty of it myself, looking for what is the thing I can bring in to make my business better. Is it the spray gun? Is it new technology? Is it quoting systems, CRMs? What is that thing that's going to make the business better? But ultimately, these things are bright, shiny objects. We have to pedal, even in business. It's how fast we can execute, how fast we can learn, practice, build a routine, and pump those legs like a mofo. So it was just an interesting analogy. I was watching these bikes go past, probably a couple $100 grand worth of bikes in the morning go past. There's always a guy at the back pumping away, trying to build up his cycling ability. It's exactly the same in business. Exactly the same in business. All the technology, all the stuff, ultimately in the end are an extension of ourselves. They improve what we're already doing. If we're not improving our business, they're going to be incremental improvements. So it's about how fast are we pumping our legs, how fast are we learning, how fast are we applying those learnings, and how much are we executing, following through, practicing and building routine. Good morning and happy peddling. See you on the interwebs. Bye.